Hi guys, and welcome to another video of Unlock Panda. Today I'm gonna do a short tutorial on how to unlock an iPhone from Verizon Wireless. So I just got this phone and I'm gonna show you step by step. So the first thing is go to your phone and go to the dial screen app and press *#06#. A 15-digit number will pop up on your screen. Make sure you write down this number. Okay, now just go to your internet browser and go to the website unlockpanda.com. In here, it will ask you to provide some information about your phone. So on the carrier, you have to enter the carrier to which the phone is currently locked to, or where you got your phone. So in this case, I'm gonna look for United States Verizon Wireless. I'm just gonna type here, it should pop up. I'm just gonna scroll down here, and there you go, Verizon. Then manufacturer, so just look for, in this case it's an Apple phone, so there you go, Apple. Then the model, make sure you select the exact model. In my case, I'm doing it with an iPhone XR, one of the newest models. And then in here, the IMEI number, it's the 15-digit number we found out on the previous step. Now the email where you wish to receive the unlock instructions, you have the option for a phone number. I'm not gonna put that. Then you can review the price and go ahead and click unlock. On the next screen, you will see a summary of your order. Just check it, make sure everything looks good. And at the bottom part, you can go ahead and proceed with your payment. We're gonna do it with PayPal, which I think it's a very secure way. You just have to log in with your account information. There you go. And click login, and then you will proceed to pay. And after the payment is done, you will receive on the email, depending on the delivery time, just one like this. It's detailed step-by-step instructions. iPhone, there are two methods. I'm gonna do it with the Wi-Fi method, which I like it better. So let's go ahead and follow the instructions. Basically, I just have to insert an unsupported SIM. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove the SIM that came with the phone, which I believe it should have a one from Verizon. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. This is a SIM from Verizon. So in this case, I can put any other SIM except one from Verizon. So I'm just gonna put one from AT&T, which I'm gonna be using my phone with the AT&T network. There you can see. So go ahead, insert the new SIM, and you can do this with the phone turned off or turned on, doesn't matter. So go ahead and then turn on the phone or go to the screen, and it's gonna ask me, because it's the first time I'm using this phone, so it's asking me to select my country or my region. It's gonna ask me to connect to a Wi-Fi connection. Just select your Wi-Fi network, and you will have to enter the password if you have a password on your Wi-Fi network. And after this step, after you're done connecting to your Wi-Fi network, it will automatically look on the iPhone servers and check if the phone is unlocked. So right now it's trying to get a signal, and I believe we just got one. There you go, guys. The phone is activated. It's completely factory unlocked. I'll catch you on the next one. Goodbye.